Hi, Claudia here from Crate with Claudia. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am super excited about this video. I was chosen for 2021 as one of the Island Batik brand ambassadors. When I got the notice back at the end of 2020, I was over the moon excited. You can ask my family, I was hopping around the house, so it was really exciting for me. But today what I'm going to bring you is my unboxing video. The Island Batik Ambassadors get some boxes of fabrics, all kinds of goodies, and I even got this AccuQuilt Co to make some of my blocks from. I'm so excited to use that. I've never used that system before. And I want to show you what I got in all of my boxes. I got 2 boxes from Island Batik and this one AccuQuilt Co box. We also work with a number of partners as well. There's the AccuQuilt, there's Aurifil Thread, Schmetz Needles, and Hobbs Batting. So I'm so excited to see what's in my boxes and show them to you. I'd like to take a quick moment and thank Island Batik for choosing me as one of their 2021 ambassadors. Again, like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm so excited, and it's really an honor to have been chosen. There are 24 of us, so make sure if you go over to my blog, I have a list of all of them. They're all just wonderful pattern designers, and it's such an honor to be working with them and with Island Batik and all of the sponsors. Alright, let's see what goodies I got. Luckily I have my setup, I have my boxes right next to me. I know you can't see everything. So we're going to start with 6 yards of coconut neutrals. Oh, this is beautiful. I love it. It's almost like a little starburst pattern. And I definitely love this for a background or something like that. So that is, again, 6 yards of coconut, and this is in their neutrals line. Alright, let's see what's next. You can hear the crackling of all the paper and everything. Oh, these are handy. Island Batik does some solids too, and this is 4 yards each of black, white, and gray. So those will come in very handy. After that, we have 2 yards of a light and dark fabric coordinate. I know it's a little crumble. The sound's not great. Look at this gorgeous red and this sort of gold tone. Beautiful. This is the Holly Holiday line. Just gorgeous. 2 yards of each of those. I'm going to dig in here. Oh, this is a surprise. I can't open that till, I think it's May is what I'd be doing a project for this. We do a project every month, and this will be for the May one. It tore a little bit, but I taped it up, so that's exciting. Ah, blues. See, I love working with blues, and these are 2 yards of a light and a dark. Again, sorry for the crinkly noise. And this is for Starry Night. And let me pull them out so I can tell you exactly what they are. This is, Starry Night, Garden of the Asylum. Oh, beautiful pale blue. And then Trees in the Garden, also from Starry Night. Gorgeous. I love those. I love blues. Oh, all these blues. These are gorgeous. This is, again, the Starry Night collection by Kathy Engel. Look at all the different blues. I think there are 20 of them, and each one is a half-yard cut. Just gorgeous. I have already thought of a pattern for this, so I am excited to get started on this one. This will be my February blog hop, so you can see what I make with all these gorgeous blues. And those coordinate back with the ones I just showed you a minute ago. Oh, there's more, there's more. Remember I was talking about the sponsors. These are Schmidts Needles. How exciting. So let's see what we got out of this. All right, we'll put that aside. Oh my gosh, look at all these great needles. Love it. Here's 5 quilting needles, 5 Microtex sharp needles. There's a sewing machine needle guide. That's really handy because, quite honestly, I don't know all that much about different sewing machine needles. I don't even know how many there are. There's some more. These are more Microtex sharp needles. Here's a great color code that tells you what all their needles are and what they're used for. And then, ooh, pad of paper. Well, that's exciting. I always like a little swag. That's always fun. So this is the Schmetz Needles I got. And then Hobbs Heirloom. This is natural cotton batting with a scrim binder. Gorgeous. This is a queen size. Oh, I know. This will come in very handy. So I got one of these. Alright, let's see what else. Oh, alright, thread. This is Aurifil Thread, some gorgeous colors. You dig them all out here out of the box. Oh wow, look at this. I have a green, variegated green. Oh, how pretty, green and white. There's a gorgeous plum color. Let's see what color this is. Can't read it. My glasses aren't any good. Anyway, there's sort of a variegated green. There's a purple, gray, sort of a real pretty, like an eggshell almost, or maybe even like a butter color, a rust, and then a paler gray. Oh, that's pretty. That's like a shimmery, and then a gorgeous gold. So I can do a lot of damage with these gorgeous Aurifil threads. Thank you so much. All right, on to box number 2. These are their foundations. Foundations are so handy to have. Let's see what we have here. There is a red Island Batik solid. Gorgeous, the solid. It's almost like a rusty red, almost a little bit. Here's an orange, and this again is a solid. I love these solids. Here is, you know what, I'm going to pull these apart so you can see everything. Hey, I can even use that. I'm a scrap quilter at heart, so I can use those ties. There was the orange. Here's a lovely, like a yellow. This is another basic. This is called buttermilk. Or that one was called buttermilk. This is lizard. Ooh, I like that too. This is, let's see, large netting ivy. Oh, that's a real rich green or gorgeous. Here's a wavy dots in cherry red. Another. Love that deep, rich red. Oh, some more solids. There's a gorgeous turquoise and a, let's see, a cobalt. Ooh, very, each one is prettier than the next one, I tell you. This is shark. Ooh, I like the name of that. That's a gorgeous blue. Ocean, nice dark blue. Though this one's very tropical looking. This is marble aqua. And again, these are blenders. And then here's a nice dark blue. And this is marble storm. So I got that nice pack of blenders. Gosh, I'm kind of overwhelmed at all these things. Oh, this is beautiful. This is Harvest Blue. I got 2 yards of light and 2 yards of dark. These are the pre-cuts. And then I got, and I'm going to take this apart too, this gorgeous, these are 10-inch cuts, and this is also Harvest Blue. Look at that blue and yellow. Ooh, that is, it glows. That yellow just glows. So I'm excited to use those. Let's see. Ooh, I got some swag. I always love a little swag. Some buttons, some Island Batik buttons. I'll be wearing those places. Oh, here's another pre-cut set. This is Citrus Sun. Oh, this is gorgeous too. And this comes with the 2.5-inch strips. All different sort of yellows and greens and blues. Very tropical looking. And then look at this. This is called Seedling. This bright sort of green, lime green or lemon green color, and then pine cone. Gorgeous. Ooh, I got some rayon. I'm not familiar with working with rayon, so I'm going to have to give that a try. It's a tiger print. Ooh, that's sort of exciting. I could make like a blouse or something out of that. So that's their rayon fabric. Gorgeous piece of fabric. And again, the tie, like I said, I'm a scrap quilter at heart. I'm going to use those ties. I'm not going to toss those. And I got these sort of scrap, these packs. There's a purple and a blue. Oh, I love these. Look at that purple. The blue is gorgeous too. These will be great sort of to use in my scrap quilts, that sort of thing. All different shades of blue, purples, lights, darks, almost a gray purple. Oh, these are gorgeous. Thank you. And let's see. Oh my. Okay. Some more cotton batting from Hobbs, another queen size. These are going to come in really handy. So this is Heirloom Premium Hobbs batting. Another batting, And this is premium polyester, so this is probably a little bit puffier and very nice. Another queen size. That's going to come in really handy with my projects. And last but not least, from the Island Batik goodie boxes, I should say, is more Hobbs Heirloom Black batting this time. It's cotton batting and it's black. It's 80/20. Gorgeous. And that is interesting. I'm trying to think what I could use with that, but I definitely will use that for some of my darker projects. So alright, here are the goodies I got from AccuQuilt Co. This is a new system to me. It's not a new system, but I've never used it. The first thing I got was this die, and this is called Hattie's Choice. It makes an 8-inch finished block, and that's really pretty, and I believe we're doing a project with this later in the year. And it came with some cutting mats, so that's one thing. Okay, so this is the AccuQuilt Co. This probably won't even come in the whole camera shot. This is a strip cutter, 2.5-inch strips. Boy, will that come in handy. Binding, all kinds of strip quilts, that kind of thing. So this is the die that came in the box, and this is the strip cutters for 2.5 inches. Here's my manual with looks like a stiletto of some sort. I'll have to look at that later and learn how to use this thing. Also comes with cutting mats. That's handy. Oh, there's a Go Cube mix and match blocks and quilts. Oh, that's going to be fun to look through that and figure out all the fun things I can make with this machine. So that came with it too. Okay, so here's the Go Cube Mix and Match 8-inch block. There's a bunch of patterns in here, that sort of thing. It has 8 different dies. Oh, I know what I'm doing this afternoon. I'm going to be playing a little bit. I'm not going to do any work. I'm just going to play with this machine a little bit and all my new fabrics. So that came in that box. And last but not least, it's the big thing in this box is the actual machine in this nice pretty bag. Here we go, if I can get it untied. Oh, it's pretty heavy. Alright, so I'm going to lay it down like this just so you can see it. Wow, this is my new machine. I cannot wait to get to know this better. This is going to be so much fun to play with, especially with all the new fabrics that I have. Oh, my head is swimming right now. I'm going to go have to take a quick break, I think, after I film this video. I really want to thank Island Batik. I just can't thank them enough. I also want to thank Hobbs Batting, AccuQuilt, Aurifil, and Schmetz Needles for just all of these. Again, I've said it a few times in this video, I'm really overwhelmed, and I thank them so much for choosing me to be one of the 2021 Island Batik Ambassadors. I hope you enjoyed seeing all of the goodies I got. I cannot wait to start making projects for you. I will be doing a project a month, but with all of this fabric, I'm thinking I might even make a few more. So I hope you stick around, subscribe to my channel, check out my blog, Facebook page, Instagram. Just check it all out. I'll be posting all sorts of my progress of some projects that I'm making, that sort of thing. So thanks so much for stopping by, and have a great day.